Hey everyone, it was another weekend where rain was expected, so River and I launched right into it. We had to take some staging off the back of the house to put up the new staging, and so we got that done and we started building or putting up the siding, which was really exciting. We did as much on the right side of the door as we could before we put the staging up. Then we put the staging up because we were going to need it for the next section, and we knew we were expecting rain, so we did it as quickly as we could. Meanwhile, the boys were working on a garden. They decided they wanted to plant stuff. I had a whole bin of old seeds. They're like, well, we're just going to put them in the ground and see what happens. I'm like, fantastic. The soil they're using is not great soil because it is like forest topsoil, which can be kind of acidic. So we'll see. We'll see what happens. We'll see what we get. Um, it is exciting to see the third side of the house getting sided. At the same time, once again, we're running into the problem where it starts to rain. You can tell the sky got darker, and it did rain. So we ended up having to close up shop for the day. It is another rainy Saturday. I mean, this is just so much rain. We're supposed to get about 2 inches of rain today. Unbelievable.
Carefully just set that in there a little bit. Try not to scratch the metal. Doesn't have to go very far, it's just acting like a shim. Alright. Can you get this started, like right here? Okay. Well, you're gonna put it at an angle, you're gonna end up with a steeper. Yeah. So what we gotta do is tap it this way to me. Yeah. Keep going. Just bounce it up. Hit it. Tap it at the top a little bit. Bouncing. Oh, I see. That's not gonna move. How does it look? Well, gotta go up a little bit, huh? So what we're gonna do is start this. We're gonna put an angle like that. Hopefully that pushes it. And I'm gonna hold this there and tell you when to stop. For square. And it didn't entirely fix square, but can't have it all yet. Still enough room for us to slip the metal. Metal in there. Alright, this one's done. Just set that through so it's
although we did take a couple of nights off, you can pretty much assume any day that I don't have a picture from, it was raining. So it rained in the evenings and it rained on the weekend. We had a beautiful day in the morning, but then by the afternoon on some days it would start to rain. If you want to see more of our building project, as well as any recipes I post, homemaking stuff, and adventures that we go on, subscribe. And we hope to see you back again soon.